Hey everybody, quick message from Metropolee support. We just wanted to share with you the way the sign up and upgrade process will work once we go live with our soft launch later on today. So you're going to start by coming to your Metropolee homepage. That's by going to metropolee.com/your username. And this is the URL that you will give to your prospective retail customer or prospective reseller who wants to join you in the binary. So then we're going to go ahead and we're going to click the join button, which will bring us to the registration page. We have the option to purchase a 12-month subscription to Metro SMA or a 3-month subscription to Metro SMA. Now keep in mind, everybody joins first as a retail customer. So we're going to go ahead and put a username in. In this case, we're going to call her Tester Support, and a first name and a last name. They're kind of funny names. Move on to a company name if you have one. If you're operating under a company, you would use this field. If you're not operating a company, you would just use your regular first and last name. And of course, you'll enter your tax ID depending on the country you're in. In this case, we're not going to sign up in Colombia. We're actually going to sign up as if we're from Austria. The sign up will behave a little bit differently depending on the country you're in, and we will do a couple of videos to help you understand how those differences are. So we go ahead and we put in a zip code. We put in an address. I'm just going to put in fake data. And if your mobile number is not a real mobile number, you will eventually be blocked from your back office. So make sure you use a real mobile number, not a landline, to register. You'll enter your email address, confirm your email address, and then you'll confirm your password. And you'll move on to your security question. There's a couple of options available: favorite food, vacation destination, child's name, maiden name, and pet's name. We'll just put in some fake text for this purpose. Now you have to prove you're not a robot. And we go ahead and we accept the terms and conditions. And we hit continue. We can now see a summary of our address and our details, as well as a summary of our order. You can see that we ordered a 3-month subscription. And now we come to the payment options. We could pay by a gift certificate. If another member had sent us a gift certificate, maybe we paid them directly, they sent us a gift certificate to join, or we can actually pay by Bitcoin. Not only just Bitcoin, but Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum. We're going to use Bitcoin today. Now you won't actually get access to your license key until your payment is complete. So if you're planning to upgrade to become a reseller and get going in the binary, you do need to make sure that you copy this information or take a screenshot or take the time to pay this right now with your Bitcoin, and then go on to the upgrade procedure. You'll also get a bunch of good email information here. So everything here will also be emailed to you so that you have it for future reference. And you can see at the bottom now, we can actually log into our retail customer lounge where we can actually access our SMA license. Okay, so we'll assume I'm paid, and we're going to go ahead and just take a look to see the license key that we just purchased. I could use this license key to run my own business. Let's say I'm a home, hobby, micro, or small business, which we call HMSBs. I could use this for my own business, or I could also use this to demo how simple it is for another business to get involved in our Metropolee Business Finder directory, which of course, all of our users that can join for free at any time access through the Metropolee Business Finder application. So I'm going to go ahead and activate this for myself. And this can take a little bit of time, so just be patient. It's actually setting up an entire system for you in the back end. Okay, we're activated. So now I could actually go into my Metro SMA. And of course, SMA stands for Sales and Marketing Automation. And I'm now in the Sales and Marketing Automation tool, where I could go ahead and I could go and set up through the accompanying mobile app my Metro Business Directory listing. Or of course, I could use all the wonderful features contained within the Metro SMA software tool. So let's go back to the customer lounge, because at this point we are a retail customer. You can see we only have things appropriate for a retail customer. We could look at our invoices. We could place an order for more licenses. We can see our license keys. We don't have a license to Metro TBS because of course we're a retail customer. If we click the home button, this will actually give us the option now to go ahead and upgrade to become a reseller. A reseller simply means that you will pay the €9, which is a reseller fee. It would actually allow you to earn money reselling the license keys to small businesses, and you could do that either by sending them directly to the Metro SMA website, where they would pay directly to Metro SMA and then the money would be brought to you, or you could sell the license keys individually and be paid yourself, depending on the country you're in and what the legal requirements are. You could sell and make your retail profit that way. So in order to upgrade now from just a simple reseller that allows us to earn that retail commission and a few other goodies, we are going to pick a pack in order to have licenses to sell. So we're going to go ahead and pick the basic pack for this operation, and we're going to go ahead and upgrade. As the system already has most of your information, the upgrade process is fairly straightforward. So you can see that the fake address that we put in is there, and I'm going to go ahead and click continue. Now do be sure you sign up with a real address, because fake addresses can cause a whole bunch of things to go wrong in your future. So make sure you're using valid data or you could be terminated. So here's a summary of everything we've just bought. If it was wrong, I can go ahead and edit it. If it's okay, I can go right through to actually complete this purchase. Now again, as we go to purchase, we have the option to pay by a gift certificate should someone have sold one to us, so that we could do this without needing to find our own Bitcoin, or we can go ahead and we can pick from Bitcoin, Litecoin, or Ethereum. As we got going as a member, we're going to earn commissions in the binary compensation plan. And actually, we also would have the ability to buy future license keys for reselling through our personal account. So we could actually use our commissions to go ahead and purchase more license keys to resell more and make more retail profit. We're going to again go by paying by Bitcoin. So here's the payment information. You need to make sure that you do pay this within 4 hours, or your order gets canceled and your position gets deleted. So once you've paid this, you can go ahead and take a look at see what your license keys say now. And of course, now we see the extra license keys. We see the first one from when we were a retail customer that we're using as a demo or for our own business. Now we also see our Metro TBS, which is the Metro Team Building System. This system is the thing that contains 3 files, one to help you find simple, free Metropolee Business Finder application users, one to help you find Metropolee Business Builders to build with you in the binary, earn the residual income, and one specifically to use to help you find home, hobby, micro, and small businesses that would like to be a part of our Metropolee business directory. So I'm going to go ahead and activate that for myself. Again, give it a second. It's setting up a whole bunch of stuff. So here we go. And then I could access that Metro team building system right here and all of the sales funnels. So just real quick for fun, I'm going to go ahead and just quickly go to a page and just show you the quick little advertising for the Metropolee Team Builder system. So this is sort of a summary of all the funnels. So you'll be able to have access to all of this. Let's look at it as a page. And you can see the 3 particular funnels that are set up and a link to see what they look like. Once you have your team builder system set up, there's a whole bunch of things you can do. Look forward to future tutorials that'll teach you all about this. For now, that concludes what we wanted to share with you today, as in just a number of hours, we are going to be live with this sign up process. Make sure you get anyone in that you're interested in getting involved right now, because they can still get in with €9 and bypass the initial purchase retail. This is the way it works. Happy to have you. Looking forward to a bright future.